Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl, MissNaturalShay, and today I have for you a fun video, y'all. I am so excited to do this video. So my girl Kayla from Just Kayla Michelle shouted me out to do this tag, and it's so exciting. What I'm going to be doing is giving you guys a Bath & Body Works fragrance that I will be using for at least 10 events. So I already have my list right here, and I'm going to go ahead and let y'all know what your girl is going to be wearing for these events. So I will also link her video down in the description box below. And a lot of you guys, of course, have come over to my channel from Kayla's channel, so y'all already know I love y'all. We're gonna just jump right into this thing and let's see what your girl is gonna be wearing. Number one event is either a wedding or a wedding guest. And y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna be wearing as far as a fragrance to my wedding, so I had to pull out my girl Dahlia because I'm just gonna be a wedding guest. So Dahlia is one of my girls, okay? She be coming, she is here, okay? So keynotes for her is Velvet, Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Musk, and Whipped Tonka Bean. This is a bomb scent, y'all. If y'all ain't smelled this thing, I don't know what y'all waiting on, but y'all need to smell her because she is here, okay? And since I'm a wedding guest and I'm single, I can go ahead and mingle with the single fellas, okay? But this thing smells really good, so I would definitely pick Dahlia for me being a wedding guest. So the next one is for date night, and boo-boo, date night, we got to go with my girl Sunset Glow, okay? First of all, she's in the pretty packaging, and it's purple, and that is my favorite color, so I just got to put that out there. And for Sunset Glow, to me, like, an awesome date would be to watch the sunset. So why not go with your girl Sunset Glow? And her fragrance notes is fresh coconut, sparkling cherry, seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. Boo boo. It says captivating like a beautiful sunset, addictive like a sugar rush. Boo boo. I'm already the sugar, okay? What? But anyway, this is an awesome scent. If y'all haven't tried this scent, y'all need to get into it, okay? And if you have tried this scent and y'all have it in your collection, just let me know down in the comments down below. That's a nice little date night scent. We could be walking on the beach or have a nice little boat cruise. As long as we're watching the sunset, I don't care what we're doing. But yes, so Sunset Glow for the date night. Third one is a girls' night. So girls' night, it took me a little bit to get to this one, but I think I'm gonna go with raspberry jam donut for girls' night. So this one is wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, warm, fluffy donut. It says let the aroma of an indulgent sweet treat take you away to the bake shop of your dreams. So I know this don't have nothing to do with like a girls' night, really, but it's just so nice and sweet. So boo boo. I'm the honey, so come on, BB, okay? This just smells so good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. Yes, it's a nice sweet smell, and yes, it does smell like a raspberry jam donut, like a powdered donut. But boo-boo, it's just like the milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, okay? The honey gonna bring the bees, okay? So the sweetness is in here, and yeah, boo, that's what we're gonna do for girls' night. The next one up is vacation. So boo, what are we doing on vacation? We are relaxing, we are chilling, we are enjoying ourselves. So I want to go with the grapefruit frosé, boo, because guess what? On vacation, I'm gonna be sipping all the nice little drinks, okay? And I'm gonna be hanging out by the beach, hanging out by the pool, just chilling. And you see the packaging says it for me that we are already on vacation. So this one is a nice smell. And I had already sprayed it on my arm when I was like testing out products before I actually, you know, wanted to put this video together. So it says the fragrance note is sparkling grapefruit, frozen frosé, and sun splashed sugar. It says enjoy your own personal getaway with the perfect summer escape. And this, you do not have to be, it do not have to be summer for you to enjoy this scent, especially if you're going on vacation and you're going to like a tropical area, an island, something like that. This is just, oh, it smells good, y'all. So I'm going with this one for a vacation. All right. So if y'all got this one, let me know down in the comments. Okay, y'all. So the next one up is a special event or graduation. Since I'm already graduated college, it's gonna be a special event for me. So we're gonna go with the Bonfire Bash, boo, for the special event. And I don't know what kind of special event it is, but guess what? She's bringing it, okay? Bonfire Bash is doing the daggone thing, and we have fragrance notes of vanilla, bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. All of this is stuff that I enjoy. So it says, ready, set, summer, celebrate the easiest going season with cozy backyard nights under the stars. Okay, so this will also be great for date night too, in my opinion. But boo-boo, this is going to be a special event. And shoot, a date night could be a special event. But yes, we're gonna go with this because honey, she gonna bring some attraction, okay? She gonna bring the peeps over, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna, you know, this is gonna stop them because it smells so good. So okay, y'all want me to spray? Oh yes. Yes, y'all. So we're gonna go with the special event. We're going with Bonfire Bash. All right, y'all. So the next one up is boo boo. It's my birthday. So okay, for my birthday, boo, we gonna wear You're the One. Okay, this boo boo is the one. Okay, so this one for the fragrance notes is white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. And it says you're confident, sparkling, beautiful, you're the one. Okay, so all day, all night on my birthday, boo, this is what I'm gonna rock with. Now, my birthday already passed. My birthday is June the 4th, but oh, it just smells so good, y'all. Like, I only gotta spray and I smell good. Okay, so we gonna spray this thing. Y'all already know how I do if y'all don't been on my channel before. Oh, yes, boo. You're the One is what I'm wearing on my birthday, okay? All right, so the next one up is Christmas. Now, for Christmas, I picked, I was going to pick Winter Candy Apple, but when I was smelling it, I was like, to me, it's not a scent that I would like really wear. It could be like a room scent, or if I do wear it, I guess I could jazz it up with something else, like make some kind of concoction, but I'm not gonna go with Winter Candy Apple. When I do think of Christmas scents, I do think of Vanilla Bean, I think of Winter Candy Apple, but for me, for the scent that I'm wearing, it's not gonna be neither one of those, boo. It's gonna be the Frosted Coconut Snowball. Yes, like looking at this packaging, it's just so pretty and it looks like snow. It just like going in a wind, y'all. So this one, the fragrance notes is Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, boo. We got that North Pole Vanilla, okay? And then we have the Winter Freesia, the Snow Kiss Woods. You already know it's the woods for me. And then the Spun Sugar. It says Frosted Coconut Snowball Flurries. Swirl in the air, okay? Covering the world in snow-dusted beauty. This, it just smells so good to me. Like, this is a product that, and I just didn't think that I would be reaching for this like that, but I do be reaching for it like that. Frosted Coconut Snowball. I love this scent. Yes. I just love it. So, yes, y'all. I'm going to go with the Frosted Coconut Snowball for Christmas. All right, y'all. So the next one we have up is Everyday or Errands. And for Everyday or Errands, I want to kind of smell like kind of cleanish. Like, I don't need like a whole lot of musk woods and all that good stuff. Not on my running errands day. Like, I gotta get things done, okay? So we're gonna go on out. Oh, we always gotta have this, okay? We gotta have a beautiful day to be running errands, to be doing our everyday events, okay? So we're gonna wear a beautiful day, and the fragrance notes for this is Sun Kissed Apple, Sparkling Cases, Wild Daisies, Pink Peony, and Fresh Woods. It says beautiful day captures the perfect spring day full of fun, carefree moments. So, boo, we got things to do. So we're gonna go with the beautiful day. It's really nice, y'all. Nice, crisp scent, like, So I'm cool. I don't have to be smelling like my amber, my patchouli, my woods, all that good stuff, sandalwood, all that good stuff. We're okay to smell like a beautiful day. So we're gonna go with beautiful day for running errands. Y'all, so for my office or work, now I do work in the office, so office or work is the same thing for me, okay? So what we gonna do, boo-boo, we gotta bring it, okay? So what we gonna do, we gonna go with a nice, cool, nice, pretty good scent. Like, it's a nice little sweet scent. But boo-boo, what happens is, after the office, we gotta go for happy hour. So you already know what happens at happy hour. Margarita time. So we're gonna have Margarita Cupcake. And I don't even have the fragrance notes. Let me go ahead and look up the fragrance notes real quick. The fragrance notes is a sweet meets salty blend of key lime, sunny citrus blossom, and whipped vanilla. The overview is flaky vanilla cake topped with sparkling citrus frosting. Oh my goodness, they got a lot going on. Frosting fragrance to satisfy your sweet tooth. Whether you're lavish splash or lightly spritz, you'll fall in love at first mist. So anyway, y'all, we're gonna go with the Margarita Cupcake because this is a nice scent for the office, nice and sweet. Let me put it in the air, okay? Yes, this is a nice sweet smell. So, and then of course after work, cause boo-boo, we need to go to happy hour, okay? So after work, we're gonna have to get me a nice little margarita. I need me a frozen margarita, okay? So that's what we're gonna go with for office / work. All right, y'all, so the last one. I've been having so much fun, y'all. I can't tell y'all enough. Make sure y'all give me a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. And y'all already know, chit chat down below, because we love to do that over here on my channel. All right, so the last one that we're going to talk about is New Year's Eve, boo. And what did she bring for New Year's Eve, boo? We got to do Into the Night, okay? Into the night, yeah. Into the night. Yes, okay. Y'all already know about Into the Night. If y'all already watched my video about my top 5 fragrances, Into the Night, she's up in there, okay? She is here to be seen, okay? Not just her, but she need to be seen as well. So boo-boo over here, fragrance notes is raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. Okay, you know what? Boo-boo is ready to dance the night away. She's ready to, if she got a date or whatever, just ready to be seen, okay? And it says, the description says, evoke natural confidence and brilliant beauty from the beginning of your day into the night. Okay, so boo, she is here. Into the Night is here. Okay, y'all, so this was so much fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. This is my first time actually being shouted out or tagged to do a tag video, and I think this is so cool. So excited to see everybody else's tags. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, y'all, so we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe, and make sure you're chit-chatting down below. If y'all would wear any of these scents for any of these events that we talked about, please just let me know, because y'all already know I love to chit-chat with y'all. And of course, if y'all have any of these scents, let me know which scents that y'all have. So yes, y'all, I had a very awesome time doing this, and I hope y'all enjoyed it as well. And you already know what time it is. It's time for me to say goodbye. I love you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.